Hello and welcome. Today, I'd like to focus on a session that will be cooling. So, if you're in the midst of the summer with the high humidity, this practice might be helpful. Begin in a comfortable position for you, either lying back, seated in a chair, or seated on the floor. Take your attention to the breath. Settle into the natural rhythm of your breath, bringing attention to where you feel the breath movement in your body and settling into the rhythmic movement of your breath. Now begin to take your focus to your exhalation and feel the sensation of releasing on the exhalation, the sensation of softening the body in and down, and the letting go of the exhalation. Notice the response in your body when you bring the focus to your exhalation. Allow your in breath still to be there, but your exhalation more in the forefront of your attention, so that you're observing and being curious about the response to the exhalation. If it feels right for you, start to gently lengthen your exhalation that little bit longer in the exhale. Your breath still feeling relaxed, finding that rhythm. Perhaps it's just a moment longer in the exhale. Take your attention to how the inhale feels after you extend the exhalation. You should feel like the inhale comes naturally. You're not struggling for the inhalation. If you tend to be doing that, then just let your exhalation be a little less elongated. You do tend to feel the heat as uncomfortable. Visualize as you exhale a coolness traveling through the body from your head down to your toes, just as if you were having a cool shower. Be aware of any coolness in your body and your connection to the ground. Is there any part of the floor, the mat that you're connecting to that feels cool? if you have come to a comfortable rhythm with your extended exhalation, try experimenting with inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling through the mouth, so that for a few breaths or on occasion, you take this exhale through the mouth like a long sigh. Ha. Do that as it feels right for you. Perhaps a few breaths, one after another, that exhale through the mouth, or every third or fourth breath, whatever feels right. Inhaling through the nostrils, exhaling through the mouth. Ha. Like a sigh of relief. Feel the response in your body. After your next extended exhalation with the mouth open, come back to what is now your natural rhythm of breathing. Relax into that rhythm. Feel any response in your body to this fuller connection to the ground, low down on the ground, and a focus on your exhalation. Notice, does it feel true for you? Do you feel cooler, calmer, more relaxed and grounded, or not? This is the wonderful exploration that we can come to in our mind body practices, using the breath, the movement, the tools that are given to us in these beautiful practices to explore the response in our bodies and mind. You may wish to take as long as you like in this position. When you do feel ready to come on up, do so slowly and mindfully. Take a little time to come up to sit in before you come into standing, and move mindfully into your next activity. We thank you so much for joining me today. See you soon.